Chicken Madras. Ingredients: 1 onion, peeled and quartered, 2 garlic cloves, thumb-sized chunk of ginger, half red chili, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of ground coriander, 1 to 2 teaspoons of hot chili powder, 4 chicken breasts, cut into chunks, a 400 grams can of chopped tomatoes, a small pack coriander, chopped, rice, naan and mango chutney, to serve. Blitz 1 quartered onion, 2 garlic cloves, a thumb-sized chunk of ginger and half red chili together in a food processor until it becomes a coarse paste. Heat 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil in a large saucepan and add the paste. Fry for 5 minutes, until softened. If it starts to stick to the pan at all, add a splash of water. Tip in half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1 teaspoon ground coriander and 1 to 2 teaspoons hot chili powder and stir well. Cook for a couple of minutes to toast them a bit. Add the 4 cut chicken breasts. Stir and make sure everything is covered in the spice mix. Cook until the chicken begins to turn pale, adding a small splash of water if it sticks to the base of the pan at all. Pour in the 400 grams can chopped tomatoes, along with a big pinch of salt. Cover and cook on a low heat for 30 minutes, until the chicken is tender. Stir through small pack of coriander and serve with rice, naan and a big dollop of mango chutney.